Hello to everyone, welcome to Make. My name is Gabby and in today's video, let's make together this character. To start making this doll, you will need the template which is in the description box. Just click on the link. In addition, you will find the material needed there. So let's begin with the process. Right now, we are going to cut the eyes. By the way, you should cut outside the eyes mark about 2 millimeters to avoid making the eyes smaller. Now we're going to make the eyebrows. They will be simple, just 2 lines. Then let's make the mouth, following the same step as the eyebrows. To make the rest of the eyes, we'll need a piece of white felt fabric. We have to paste it. Then I'm going to stick 2 white felt pieces following the eyes template to level the face surface. Next, we will add the pupils with thread. Now we're going to make the body. To start, we should sew the neck to the collar. Then let's sew the gloves. Next, we're going to start the seam from the shoulder. Now we have to fill the body with some polyester fiber. And we will continue this process with the rest of the body. For the boots, let's sew the boots pieces in this way. I'm going to start from the middle point as you see. Just the boot sole must be sewed. Then we will stick the boot to the suit and sew it. So we have to fill the boot. Now let's stick the head to the body. We have to sew. I'm gonna start from the neck. Let's fill it with some polyester fiber. Right now we are going to sew the belt. As last step, let's stick the cape to the suit. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this sew, please let me know in the comments, thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe, just hit the red button below. That will be a great support for me. You can also follow this content here and here. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye!